I want to review some distribution before we get into some of the work that we're doing today. I just want to remind you of how we distribute and how that might look in a couple of different contexts. The first, if I've got a plus x times a plus x, we're going to end up with a squared and then plus ax plus another ax and plus x squared. Often, we can kind of shortcut if we know these are the same and end up saying a squared plus 2ax plus x squared. This is a distribution pattern for perfect squares that we can use if we notice that it's happening. For the second example here, we got y plus b squared. I'm going to rewrite that as y plus b times y plus b. And you might notice that that's really similar to what we had in the first one. I'm going to use my knowledge of this pattern and end up just jumping to that step, y squared. My next two are going to double up and give me 2yb and then plus b squared. And then finally, we've got c minus x quantity squared. I'm going to rewrite that as c minus x times c minus x. As we do our distribution, we're going to see the same pattern emerge and get c squared minus cx is going to be minus 2cx, and then minus x times minus x would be plus x squared.